Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss an important topic from chapter 4, that is health and hygiene of class 6. Students, today's topic is ways to protect against diseases caused by microorganisms. So you all know bacteria, viruses, all these are the microorganisms, and these microorganisms are responsible for causing various diseases in the animals as well as in the human beings. Okay. Now what we are going to discuss today is we are going to discuss some ways by which we can protect ourselves from these disease causing microorganisms. So basically there are 4 ways by which we can protect ourselves from these microorganisms. So the first one is taking medicines. So beta see, whenever you are suffering from any disease, for the particular disease a particular type of medicine is there. Okay, so the role of this medicine is to kill the germ which is responsible for causing that particular disease. So whenever we are taking the medicines, these medicines, what they will do, they will kill the microorganisms, and in this way the medicines, they are beneficial, or in this way the medicines, they will protect us against these germs. The second is by killing carriers, by killing the carriers. So basically carriers, you all know, carriers are the organisms which carry germs from one place to another place, or from the dirty place to some other place. Like when we talk about these carriers, what comes in our mind? Housefly, cockroaches, okay, mosquitoes. So all these are the carriers of disease causing germs. So how we can destroy them, or how we can kill them? By spraying insecticides, by spraying different chemicals. Okay, if we want to protect ourselves from the germs, then we have to kill these housefly, we have to kill the mosquitoes, we have to kill the cockroaches, and also the rats, because these are the carriers of maximum disease causing germs. Okay, so we can use different chemicals, okay, to kill the carriers. Third is immunization. So immunization is done in children to make the immune system strong. So you have heard that at different age, different vaccines, they are administered to the children. At the age of 6, 1.5 year, 2.5 year, 5 years. So different vaccines, they are introduced, or they are administered into the body in order to improve the immune system. And this immune system is the system of body which fight against the disease and protects our body from disease. Fourth is balanced diet. Okay, if your diet is containing the proper amount of vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, okay, so you will not suffer from the diseases. But if any nutrient is missing, you will suffer from some malnutrition. Okay, you will suffer from some diseases which are due to the deficiency of nutrients in the diet.